Hello student, in last lecture we discussed derivatives of parametric functions. Now there are also some example on it which we have to see. So first example is if x is equal to a under root of sec theta minus tan theta, y is equal to a under root of sec theta minus tan theta, then we have to show that dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x. So given x is equal to a under root of sec theta minus tan theta. Squaring on both sides. X square is equal to a square, and if we squaring, then this square root get cancelled, so we get only sec theta minus tan theta. Then this a square take here like that, and give it equation first. Also y is equal to a under root of sec theta plus tan theta. Sorry, here is some mistake in question. Sec theta plus tan theta. Here also squaring on both sides. Squaring. After squaring we get y square is equal to a square, and taking squaring, then this square root get cancelled, so we get only sec theta plus tan theta. Therefore y square upon a square is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Now give it equation 2. Then take multiplication of equation first with equation 2. Multiply equation first into equation 2. We get, as we take subtraction, as we take addition, then like that we take multiplication also. So we get x square upon a square, multiply RHS side, and then multiply LHS side. Okay, so first multiplying LHS, x square upon a square into y square upon a square. Now multiply RHS side, so sec theta minus tan theta, and here is sec theta plus tan theta. Therefore x square into y square, and this a square into a square becomes a raised to 4. Now multiply first sec theta into sec theta, so sec square theta. Next sec theta into tan theta, so plus sec theta into tan theta. Next this multiply tan theta into sec theta, so you can write it also sec theta into tan theta. And last this minus plus become minus, multiply tan theta into tan theta, so it's become tan square theta. So we get x square upon y square, sorry, x square into y square upon a raised to 4 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta, because plus sec theta into tan theta and minus sec theta into tan theta get cancel. Here is capital X square, sorry for mistake. Next, by using identity, we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That's why x square into y square upon a raised to 4 is equal to 1. Now multiply this a raised to 4 into this side. So we get x square upon y square is equal to a raised to 4. Now differentiate it with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get what we get? First differentiating, so differentiation of x square is 2x, y square remaining as it is, plus x square remain as it is, and differentiation of y square is 2y and dy by dx. And we know that differentiation of constant is 0. So right here 0. Next, 2x y square plus 2y x square dy by dx is equal to 0. Take this expression on RHS. So you get 2y x square dy by dx minus 2x y square. So we want only dy by dx. Cancel 2 cancel this x and this x, y and this y. So you get only y upon x dy by dx. Hence prove. This is we have to show. Now next example is, if x is equal to e raised to sin 3t, y is equal to e raised to cos 3t, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus y log x upon x log y. Given x is equal to e raised to sin 3t, take log on both sides. We get what we get? Log x is equal to log e raised to sin 3t. Log x as it is. Now by using jumping log, sin 3t will become jump into log e. Therefore log x is equal to sin 3t, because log e equal to 1. Now differentiate with respect to t, because t is parameter. We get log derivative of log x is 1 upon x, but we have to we take differentiation with respect to t. That's why differentiation of x is dx upon dt. Differentiation of sin 3t is cos 3t, and differentiation of this 3t is 3. So into 3. Therefore dx upon dt is equal to 3 cos 3t into this x. 3x cos 3t. Also y is equal to e raised to cos 3t take log on both sides. Log y is equal to log e raised to cos 3t by using jumping log. Cos 3t into log e, write log y as it is. Log e is 1, so only we get cos 3t. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. We get differentiation of log y is 1 upon y dy upon dt. Differentiation of cos 3t is minus sin 3t. And differentiation of this 3t is 3. So we get dy upon dt is equal to minus 3y sin 3t. Now use our theorem. We get dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt, dx upon dt. Put the values. Dy upon dt is minus 3y sin 3t and dx upon dt is minus 3x cos 3t. Now here is not minus. 3 get cancelled, so only remaining minus y sin 3t and x cos 3t. But this is not our answer, so you can check it. Value of sin 3t is log x. Give it first. And value of cos 3t is log y. Give it second. You can write by using first and second. We get by using first and second we get. You can write here equation. Therefore dy upon dx is equal to minus y log x upon x log y. Hence prove. Now next example is, if x is equal to cos cube t and y is equal to a sin cube t, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x raised to 1 by 3. Given x is equal to cos cube t, differentiate with respect to t because t is parameter. Differentiate with respect to dx upon dt. Cos cube 3t, so like x raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1, so we get 3 cos square t and derivative of this cos t. So we get dx upon dt is equal to derivative of cos t is minus sin t, so minus 3 sin t into cos square t. Next, also y is equal to a sin cube t. Also differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. We get dy upon dt is equal to dy upon dt is equal to a 3a sin square t and differentiation of this sin t. Here is some mistake. Here is x a cos cube t. So here 3a 3 differentiation, take dy upon dt is equal to differentiation of sin t is cos t. So 3a sin square t cos t. Now use our theorem, dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt upon dx upon dt. Put the values, 3a sin square t into cos t upon minus 3a sin t into cos square t. After cancelling, we get sin t upon cos t. Three get cancel, a get cancel, this one sin t and this sin t cancel, this cos t, and from this two cos t, one cos t get cancel. So only we get sin t upon cos t. But this is not our answer. We have to prove dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x raised to 1 by 3. So use this given equation. We have x is equal to a cos cube t and y is equal to a sin cube t. Here we can see sin t upon cos t. That's why take y upon x. We get a sin cube t upon a cos cube t. A get cancel. So we get y upon x sin cube t upon cos cube t. Take it in one bracket. So this is y upon x sin t upon cos t raised to 3. But we know that sin upon cos is tan. So it is tan cube t taking cube root. We get y upon x raised to 1 by 3 is equal to tan t. Give it second. Now here it's dy upon dx is equal to this. So from first, dy upon dx is equal to minus sin t upon cos t so dy upon dt is equal to minus tan t, and using second the value of tan t is y upon x, therefore dy upon dt is equal to minus y upon x raised to 1 by 3. Using equation second, hence prove. Now next example is, if x is equal to log 1 plus t square, y is equal to t minus tan inverse t, then show that dy by dx is equal to under root of e raised to x minus 1 upon 2. So given x is equal to log 1 plus t square. Differentiate with respect to t. We get dx upon dt. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, so 1 plus t square, and this derivative of 1 plus t square. Therefore, dx upon dt is equal to 1 upon 1 plus t square as it is, and this derivative of 1 is 0 plus t square is 2t. So we get dx upon dt is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Also we have y is equal to t minus tan inverse t. Tan inverse t. Differentiate with respect to t because t is parameter. Dy upon dt is equal to derivative of t is 1 minus derivative of tan inverse t is 1 upon 1 plus t square. Now multiply this into this. 1 into 1, 1, 1 plus t square is t square minus 1 upon 1 plus t square. So we get only 1 1 cancel, plus 1 minus 1, and we get only t square upon 1 plus t square. Therefore dy upon dt is equal to t square upon 1 plus t square. Now use theorem. Dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt. Now put values here. Dy upon dt is t square upon 1 plus t square. Value of dx upon dt is 2t upon 1 plus t square. You can write t square upon 1 plus t square into 2t upon 1 plus t square. Sorry, 1 plus t square upon 2t. Now this 1 plus 2 square and this 1 plus 2 square cancel. From this t square 1t and this t get cancelled. So only remaining t upon 2 dy upon dx. But this is not our answer. So from given equation we have what we have? X is equal to log 1 plus t square. Now always remember that there its base is e. So by using this formula we can solve it. What is the formula? Log a base b is equal to m. Then what we do? This a as it is and this b become b raised to m. Right? Look at this. This is base b which become b. Log get cancelled. Like that. Here is only e, base e. So you can write it as e raised to x is equal to this 1 plus t square. With the help of this you can write. Now therefore e raised to x is equal to 1 plus t square. This 1 take here, so it becomes minus 1 is equal to t square. But we have only want t, that's why take square root. Under root of e raised to x minus 1 is equal to t. Give it equation first. From first, dy upon dx is equal to, value of t is now e raised to x minus 1 upon, hence proof. Now next topic is differentiation of one function with respect to another function. We know that if y is differentiable function of x, then derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Like that, if u is function of x and v is function of g of x, then derivative of u with respect to x is du by dx f dash of x, and derivative of v with respect to x is dv by dx is equal to g dash of x. But we have to find derivative of u with respect to v, then it will become du upon dv is equal to du upon dx upon dv upon dx, which is equal to f dash of x upon g dash of x. Now there are some example on this, which as differentiate sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Now consider this is u and this is v. Let u is equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square and v is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Then we have to find what we have to find, du upon dv. Now u is equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Put x equal to tan theta because it is the formula. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse x. Therefore u is equal to sine inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, which is the formula of sine 2 theta. Therefore sine inverse sine 2 theta. Therefore u is equal to sine inverse of sine angle is this angle, therefore 2 theta. Now put the value of theta, which is tan theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. We get du by d theta is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. Sorry, here is some mistake, 2 tan x. 2 tan inverse x. Sorry, because the value of theta is tan inverse x. So differentiation of tan inverse x is 2 upon 1 plus x square. Give it equation first. Also v is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Here also put x is equal to tan theta. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse x. Therefore v is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. which is the formula of cos 2 theta, and we know that cos inverse of cos 2 theta is 2 theta. So put the value of theta, which is tan inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Therefore dv upon dx is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. Give it second. Now we have to find du upon dv. Now du upon dv is equal to du upon dx upon dv upon dx. Now put the value of du upon dx, which is 2 upon 1 plus x square, and value of dv upon dx is 2 upon 1 plus x square. You can write it as it is 2 upon 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square upon 2. 2 get cancel, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancel, so we get only 1 du upon dv, which is your answer. Here is some mistake. Differentiate with respect to x because this is tan inverse x and du upon dx. So correct it. It is du upon dx is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. Then it is equation first, and after putting these values you get your answer du upon dv is equal to 1. Next example is differentiate cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse x. Let u is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, and v is equal to tan inverse x. Then we have to find du upon dv. So now u is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Put x is equal to tan theta. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse x. Therefore u is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, which is the formula cos inverse cos 2 theta. So we get only 2 theta. U is equal to, now put the value of theta, which is tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. So you get du upon dx is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. Now also v is equal to tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. dv upon dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. But we have to find what? Du upon dv. Now du upon dv is equal to du upon dx upon dv upon dx. Put the value of du upon dx, which is 2 upon 1 plus x square, and value of dv upon dx is 1 upon 1 plus x square. After cancelling we get only du upon dv is equal to 2. This is your answer. Next example is differentiate tan inverse cos x upon 1 plus sin x with respect to sec inverse x. So let u is equal to and v is equal to sec inverse x. Then we have to find du upon dv. Now u is equal to tan inverse cos x 1 plus sin x. There are some trigonometric formulas which we have to use here. Using cos theta is equal to cos square theta upon 2 minus sin square theta upon 2, and 1 plus sin x is equal to cos, take it here, theta upon 2 plus sin theta upon 2 whole square. Now use this formulas in this function. You get u is equal to tan inverse cos x upon cos square x upon 2 minus sin square x upon 2 upon cos x upon 2 plus sin x upon 2, and this is whole square. Now we know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Using this you can split it. So tan inverse cos x upon 2 minus sin x upon 2 into cos x upon 2 plus sin x upon 2 upon, this is as it is. By using this formula, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Now this cos x upon 2 minus sin x upon 2 and cos x upon 2 plus sin x upon 2, you can cancel it, this and from this one. So you get only u is equal to tan inverse upon now divide numerator and denominator by cos x upon 2. We get then cos x upon 2 get cancelled. You get only here 1, here 1 minus tan and upon 1 plus tan x upon 2. So we get u is equal to tan inverse 1 minus tan x upon 2 upon 1 plus tan x upon 2. Now using the formula, tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus x upon 2. What is formula? 1 minus tan a upon 1 plus tan a is equal to tan pi by 4 minus a. This is formula. Using this we get tan inverse of tan of function is pi by 4 minus x upon 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. We get du upon dx is equal to 0 minus 1 by 2. That is du by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2. Also v is equal to sec inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dv upon dx is equal to 1 upon x under root of x square minus 1. Now we have to find du upon dv. So du upon dx upon dv upon dx. Put these values. Value of du upon dx is minus 1 by 2 and this is 1 upon x under root of x square minus 1. Multiply this minus 1 by 2 into x under root of x square minus 1 upon 1. So you get minus x under root of x square minus 1 upon 2. So value of du upon dv. This is your final answer. This is root. Example is differentiate x raised to x with respect to x raised to sin x. Let u is equal to x raised to x and v is equal to x raised to sin x. Then we have to find du upon dv. Now u is equal to x raised to x. Take log on both sides. We get log u is equal to log x raised to x. Therefore differentiate with respect to x. First take it easy. Log u is equal to jumping law use करो x into log x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So 1 upon u into du upon dx, and here is u into v rule. So derivative of x is 1 into log x as it is, plus x as it is, and derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So du upon dx is equal to u into this log x plus 1 because x get cancelled. Now put the value of u. Du upon dx is equal to x raised to x log x plus 1. Also v is equal to x raised to sin x. Now take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. We get log v is equal to log x raised to sin x. Use here jumping law first. So sin x into log x. Now take differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. We get log v 1 upon v into dv upon dx. Derivative of sin x is cos x into log x as it is, plus sin x as it is, and derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So dv upon dx is equal to v into, you can multiply this x into cos x into log x plus sin x upon x. Put the value of v, which is x raised to sin x. Take this x and remaining x into cos x into log x plus sin x. Now we have to find du upon dx. So du upon dx, du upon dv is equal to du upon dx upon dv upon dx. Now put the values. So we get du upon dv is equal to x raised to x log x plus 1 upon x raised to x raised to sin x upon x into cos x log x plus sin x. Now x will become jump here, so we get du upon dv is equal to x into x raised to x and log x plus 1 upon x raised to sin x now here is 1 present, so by using rules of indices you can add here like that x plus 1 and log x plus 1. Using laws of indices, this is become x raised to minus sin x so x raised to x plus 1 minus sin x into log x plus 1 upon x into cos x into log x plus sin x. So du upon dv. So this is your answer. Du upon dv is x raised to x plus 1 minus sin x into log x plus 1 upon x cos x into log x plus sin x. Now there are some practice problems which you have to solve. First question, if x is equal to t plus 1 upon t minus 1, y is equal to t minus 1 upon t plus 1, then you have to show that y square plus dy by dx equal to 0. If x is equal to, next question, if x is equal to 2 cos raised to 4t plus 3, y is equal to 3 sin raised to 4t plus 3, then you have to show that dy by dx is equal to minus under root of 3y upon 2x. Next, if x is equal to sin inverse e raised to t, y is equal to under root of 1 minus e raised to 2t, then show that sin x plus dy by dx is equal to 0. Fourth question, if x is equal to under root of a sin inverse t, y is equal to under root of a cos inverse t, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x. Next, fifth question, if x is equal to 2bt upon 1 plus t square, y is equal to a 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus b square y upon a square x. Next question, question number 2, and first question, differentiate x sin x with respect to tan x. This is x. Next question, differentiate tan inverse x upon under root of 1 minus x square with respect to sec inverse upon 1 upon 2x square minus 1. Third question, differentiate 3 raised to x with respect to log 3 base x. Next, differentiate 7 raised to x with respect to x raised to 7. And last question, fifth question, differentiate tan inverse under root of 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x with respect to tan inverse 2x under root of 1 minus x square upon 1 minus 2x square. Thank you, student.